and you can now give them copies of these corrected ones. Tell them to read.
Gentlemen of the press, communique by the Senate Southeast Caucus held on Sunday, May 7, 2023. 1. We have observed with dismay the antics of persons with vested selfish interest who have planted themselves around the President-elect, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and have vowed to shut out the Southeast from the Senate Presidency of the 10th Senate. 2. Beyond ethnic and religious considerations, in the forthcoming 10th Senate, the Southeast has been blessed with ranking senators-elect, including members of the All Progressive Congress, APC, who have the cranial capacity, competence, influence, experience, and political fellowship to pilot the affairs of the Red Chamber. It becomes imperative that all Progressive Congress uphold the principles of natural justice and equity, which it preaches, founded on reasons, and zone the seat of the President of the Senate to the Southeast region. That the President-elect, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, should extend the same democratic opportunity he received from the outgoing administration, which gave all aspirants equal opportunity to exercise their fundamental and constitutional rights during the APC Presidential Primaries. He should be conscious of the great implication of zoning and endorsing a candidate from the South-South without any regard to the Southeast. Such move will no doubt serve as a recipe for injustice, which will culminate to restiveness. We employ the President-elect to be sensitive to the times in Nigeria and ensure the country continues to thrive on the part of equity, unity and fairness to the tripod of Nigeria, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, and the geopolitical zones. The country is already divided among ethnic and religious lines due to the exclusion of the Southeast region, which forms the major reasons the APC received the amount of votes from the Southeast. The incoming administration of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu must correct the anomaly by ensuring that the Southeast is given the opportunity to produce the next Senate president. With the sidelining of the Southeast from producing the presidential candidates of the major political parties before the general election, the only means through which the zone can be compensated and given a sense of belonging is for the zone to produce the next Senate president, as this will restore confidence to the people from the Southeast geopolitical zone, and indeed all Nigerians in the unity of the country. The APC must rise above primordial and political interest and shun the winners-take-all syndrome and pursue ethno-religious inclusivity and a strong, virile, united, progressive, prosperous, equitable, and just democratic nation. Mr. President-elect, how would an average Igbo man feel after seeing evidence of total discrimination? The Southeast have been denied the chance to produce the president of Nigeria since 1966. The South-South has produced president for 6 years and also had deputy Senate president in the outgoing administration. The only zone in the South that has not been favored is the Southeast. The outcry of marginalization of the Southeast and the entire Igbo should be addressed by the incoming administration rather than aggravating it. The Southwest has president, the Northeast has vice president. It is only just that the least position at the moment can be assuaged. The Southeast is given the chance to be the president of the 10th Senate. On this note, we have collectively resolved to support Southeast aspirants of the APC. We remain committed and have since expanded negotiations with all well-meaning senators elected to rally around the Southeast to ensure that justice, fairness, and unity of the country prevails. We remain hopeful that together we shall achieve a harmonious 10th Senate, deepened with democracy, fairness, and unity for our dear country. Thank you. Signed, Senator Kalu, Senator Abaribe, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, Senator Victor Ume, Senator Oster Izunaso, Senator Ezenwa Onyewuchi, Senator Tony Nwoye, Senator PC Ndubeze, Senator Oke Ezia, Senator Kevin Chukwu, Senator Osita Ngwu. Thank you very much. We have a